Character development and character formation is a very important part of life in our national school. Aristotle once said that educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all.
I always said to my kids, you will need principles.
The purpose is to go beyond the academics and getting to the heart of the students.
For us, the principle-based education it's key for the future, and having the school and a school as life who help you on the process is a blessing.
They're learning to pay attention, to obey willingly and immediately, to apply themselves even when the task is hard, to learn the rules and to apply them, to always do their best in all circumstances, to learn to love hard work, to understand how things work together, to finish the job, to do right because doing right is the right thing to do, to work hard to get the right answer, and also to know that there is a right answer, to love wisdom and to choose things that are excellent. And that is why we teach these students, because we want to see excellence in every single part of their lives. The traditional way of learning here in Spain is mostly lecture and rote memory. When students learn that way, they are learning to memorize for a test, and it's quickly forgotten. Hands-on learning really helps bring it to a higher level, where students are experiencing what they're being taught. Hands-on learning helps the kids with the English immersion as well. They really need to have those visual cues. They need to be able to have that opportunity to have that tactile experience.
At Life International School, we have spent the past 5 years dedicating ourselves to educating students in our 4 fundamental values, which are love, integrity, faith, and excellence, and thus fostering an environment in which our students feel safe and accepted. We are a young and innovative project that seeks to raise future leaders through a personalized education based on character development, hands-on teaching methods, and English immersion. We can't wait to meet you.